Jungle.
Porsche recently officially showcased the all-new 911 Cabriolet at the Geneva Motor Show 2019, GMS 2019. Accordingly, the convertible version of the 911-2020 has the same design as the coupe, in which the roof arch can be closed/folded completely automatically in just 12 seconds, with the rear glass door to help the driver feel comfortable and safe. The soft reverse roof structure is made of magnesium frames, limiting the inflated wind when operating at high speeds. With the new hydraulic system, the opening and closing time of the hood is shortened to only 12 seconds, even when the vehicle is operating at speeds below 50 km/h. The electrically expandable wind deflector helps protect the driver's neck from the strong impact of the wind. Currently, Porsche is introducing the 911 Cabriolet 2020 with two versions, the Carrera S, rear bridge, RWD, and Carrera 4's, four-wheel drive, AWD. Both use a 3.0-liter six-cylinder boxer engine for a capacity of 443 HP at 6,500 RPM, and a maximum torque of 530 Nm at 2,300 to 5,000 RPM. Thanks to the rearrangement of the booster and cooling system, operating efficiency has been significantly improved. The above power combined with the 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox helps the Carrera S take only 3.9 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h and 3.7 seconds if the option is equipped with Sport Chrono. The maximum speed is 306 km/h. The new engine layout makes the new Cabriolet version more robust than its predecessor. For the first time, the sports chassis of Porsche Active Suspension System, PASM, was installed on the 911 Cabriolet model. The springs used on this version are hard and shorter, the front and rear anti-roll bars are more certain. The overall chassis is lowered by 10 mm. The interior features straight lines and compact instrument cluster. Similar to the original 911 version, the new dashboard covers the entire width between the two side panels. Beside the revolving clock, it is placed in the center. Too thin, borderless screens provide information to the driver. At 10.9 inches, the central screen of Porsche Communication Management, PCM, can be operated quickly and without distraction. Porsche 911 Cabriolet 2020 will be delivered to customers from the end of this year with pre-orders. In the United States, the Porsche 911 Cabriolet Carrera S version starts at $126,000.